Ever looked up at the night sky and thought, wow, there's a whole cosmic orchestra playing out there? It's like, something epic is about to
Yeah,
happen.
absolutely. And there's this notion that a long-awaited nova, the blaze star T Corona Borealis, is gearing up for a massive performance in 2025.
Right, exactly. This binary star system in Corona Borealis, which has been quietly ticking its 80-year clock, is on the brink of erupting. Its past outbursts in 1866 and 1946 set the stage for what seems, well,
Mhm.
almost predestined.
And that 80-year cycle is more than just a neat timeline, isn't it? It feels like the universe is like pulsing with a heartbeat of cosmic order.
Spot on. The number 8 in numerology is said to be infinity turned vertical, a symbol of eternal balance. Multiply that by 10, and you get a kind of amplified cosmic vibration. It's as if the artistic blueprint of the cosmos was drawn in sacred numbers.
Yeah. So essentially, every 80 years, the cosmos reaffirms its design with this grand nova. It's the universe's own clock ticking down to a moment of alignment.
Exactly. And it's not just the science here. There's deep symbolism too. Think about it. When T Corona Borealis erupts, it temporarily becomes the eighth bright jewel in the northern crown of stars.
Mhm. Which ties nicely into ancient lore. I mean, Corona Borealis is, after all, linked to the crown of Ariadne given by Dionysus. It connects the dots between divine myth and modern astronomy.
Right? It's like, those mythic stories offered early insights into the order of the universe. Observers from centuries past documented these events, and today, with modern tech, we're rediscovering that connection.
Yeah. There's also that intriguing element of numerology surrounding the recorded eruption years. 12 no 17, 1787, 1866, 1946. They break down into numbers that hint at spiritual insights, like 11, 23, 3, and 2, which lend a mysterious vibe to the event.
Absolutely. These numbers, far from being random, give us a secret code, one that speaks of creation, duality, and, well, renewal. It's like the stars are whispering, there's more to this than meets the
Mhm.
eye.
Now, I get that some may argue that attributing such mystical significance might be stretching it when pure astrophysics could explain it all. What do you think about that?
That's a fair point. While the astrophysics behind a nova is solid, material from a red giant feeding a white dwarf until a thermonuclear explosion occurs, adding the layer of sacred numerology enriches the narrative. It doesn't take away from the science, it broadens our experience of this event.
Right. It's kind of like looking at a painting. You can appreciate the technique, but also the emotion and hidden symbolism behind it.
Exactly. And speaking of symbolism, the eruption is set to shine with magnitude 2. That not only makes it visible to the naked eye, but also perfectly aligns with Corona Borealis's position as the second northernmost constellation.
Mhm. There's a neat mirroring there too. The binary nature of T Coronae Borealis, the red giant and the white dwarf, itself reflects that duality. It's as if nature is echoing the balance of partnership in the cosmos.
Right, that duality itself speaks volumes. It reminds us that every cosmic phenomenon is interwoven with both destruction and creation, darkness and
Yeah,
illumination.
absolutely. And what about the practical side of things? The idea that with minimal equipment, a clear sky, and a bit of preparation, anyone could be a part of this cosmic ceremony is just empowering.
For sure, it's an open invitation. Grab your binoculars or a small telescope, locate that semicircular crown in the northern hemisphere, ideally far from city lights, and witness history
Yep.
unfolding.
Plus, there's a community aspect. The idea that observers around the world can join virtual stargazing events or local astronomy club gatherings to document and share this experience makes it a true collective moment.
Absolutely. It's like being part of a global ritual where science, art, and spirituality converge. The eruption of T Corona Borealis isn't just an astronomical event, it's a call to awaken our inner light, to see ourselves as part of a larger, ever evolving cosmos.
Mhm. And isn't that what makes our journey through the universe so fascinating? Whether we're charting stars with our telescopes or pondering the sacred numbers behind them, we're all in some way written in the same cosmic script.
Exactly. It's like each cosmic event, each burst of starlight, is a reminder of our shared heritage, our collective observation of a grand design. It's poetic and humbling
Totally.
all at once.
So, as 2025 approaches, it's not just about witnessing a nova, but about reconnecting with the cosmic narrative that has guided humanity for millennia. It's an invitation to look up and remember our place in the grand tapestry of the universe.
Precisely. And whether you lean towards the scientific explanation or the mystical interpretation, the opportunity to participate in this celestial event is a rare moment of
Right.
universal connection.
I love how this conversation circles back to the idea that the cosmos communicates with us through patterns, numbers, and the very design of the stars. It's truly mind-blowing, like the universe is sharing its diary with us.
Totally. And it beckons us to join that cosmic ceremony, to not just observe, but feel that illumination, that awakening, as if we're all part of a much larger, timeless story.
Yep. So here's to marking our calendars, preparing our gear, and looking up with wonder as T Corona Borealis lights up the night. A true cosmic appointment written billions of years ago.
Exactly. Let's get ready to embrace this stellar spectacle, a fusion of science, mysticism, and pure, unadulterated wonder. In a way, it's a reminder that even in the vast darkness, there's always a moment of sudden, brilliant illumination waiting to transform us all.
And as we tune in with each celestial heartbeat, may we also find our inner spark, reflecting the majesty of the cosmos in our everyday lives. Cheers to that cosmic journey.
Cheers indeed. After all, when the universe speaks through sacred numbers and shining stars, we can't help but listen with our hearts as well as our eyes.
Yeah, absolutely.